In this video, I'll show you where to find educational links available for Tanana Middle School and K-12 North Star Borough students on the Tanana Middle School webpage. They can be found similarly through all the other school web pages. So here is the Tanana Middle School webpage. It's k12northstar.org/Tanana. Now to find some helpful links, we go to the quick links option down to learning links. This learning links page takes you to links to a bunch of external pages that students and teachers can use as educational tools and for various subjects. Now, if you go back to the Tanana Web page and go to library, the library page also offers many online resources. So you go to the library page and then online resources. And from this page, as you can see, there's links to databases, image resources, sound resources, resources organized by subject, all just a useful place to find some external sources that students can use in specific subjects. And lastly, another interesting link to look at is the personalized learning link. Here at Tanana and the Fairbanks North Star Borough School District, we're kind of shifting towards a more personalized learning perspective. Personalized learning is structuring schools, classrooms, and instruction so we can better respond to individual needs. And this gives you kind of an overview of this viewpoint and how it can be accomplished. So this is a really good page to go to if you're interested in this viewpoint that the district is trying to encompass in its learning. So those are some useful links that you can find through the school's webpage in terms of external learning resources.